Okay, it's winter in Maggie Valley, and I've got work to do. I need to do some serious snow removal here. I'm going to clean these stairs. Yeah, look, we got short changed here. There's no snow up on these top steps.